Thinking about starting to invest but worried you need a huge sum of money to get started? You've heard about Acorns and their whole micro-investing thing, but what does that actually mean? Do you really need just a few dollars, or is it a more complicated process? The truth is, one of the biggest mental hurdles to investing is the belief that you need to be rich to even begin. For years, that was the reality. You needed hundreds, even thousands of dollars to buy a single share of a company's stock. But Acorns changed the game by making investing accessible to everyone, and that starts with their low barrier to entry. So, how much money do you need to start with Acorns? The answer is incredibly simple, just $5. That's it. $5. Not 500. Not 5,000. Just $5. That's all it takes to make your first official investment and become an investor. But it's not just about that initial $5 deposit. Acorns is built around the idea of investing your spare change. This is a feature called roundups. Let's say you buy a coffee for $3.25. Acorns will automatically round that purchase up to the nearest dollar, which in this case is $4, and invest that extra 75 cents. It might not sound like a lot, but those little bits of change add up, and once your roundups reach a total of $5, Acorns invests it for you. It's a way of investing without even thinking about it. Now, while the initial investment is low, there are a few other things you need to know. Acorns charges a monthly subscription fee, which can range from a few dollars to a bit more, depending on which plan you choose and the features you want. These fees are a flat rate, not a percentage of your investments, which is great for people just starting out. However, if your account is very small, that monthly fee can feel like a big chunk of your money. But as your account grows, the fee becomes a much smaller percentage of your total investment. In short, you don't need a lot of money to start with Acorns. You can literally get started with $5. The platform is designed to make investing a regular, low-effort habit by using your spare change. So for anyone who's been holding back from investing because they thought it was only for the wealthy, Acorns offers a simple and straightforward way to get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.